I'm Cody Nottingham, and welcome to Rift.
What I want to do is just have you touch a card, any card you want. You want to change your mind, or do you want this? Okay, so take a look at it.
Your spectator selects a card, shuffles it into the pack themselves.
I'll have you hold these here, and I want to spread them. Kind of like this. And if I can have you just hold the cards right here. I want to go on this side, and I'll show you my hands real quick. I want to stick my hands behind my back.
Show your hands empty, and you're able to pull their selection through the window visually with your mouth. Rift is the cleanest card through window on the market.
I got nothing in my hands, definitely nothing on the window at all. Alright, check this out.
Rift requires very minimal sleight of hand. Your hands are completely empty before, during, and after the effect, and there is nothing in your pockets or in your sleeves.
Boom, that's how it's done.
What?
Close your card.
No way! He shuffled the card, I picked it out, and the next thing I know is on the other side of the window.
Rift is self-contained, it's completely hands-off, and it's very easy to perform.
What was it?
This is Rift.